Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we'll be cutting this shape out of this object. So in Solidworks it's actually called a cavity. So we'll be creating a cavity. Previously I've done a video in Creo where it was called a Boolean subtract cut. But yeah, in Solidworks it's called a cavity. So in order to do that, I've actually got, this is actually the assembly here. So if I just hide this big cube, so I've got this one, I think it's 1 meter by 1 meter cube, and I've got this little short post in here. So I'm going to unhide, so I'm going to put that back in there. So at the moment, if I just show you the model tree, there's only just this one extrusion, which is the box. So in order to do this, we first, so in the assembly, we make this part active, and then we go up to insert, features, then we go down to cavity. There's also the join method, which is something I mentioned in my other video, but we're going to use the cavity for today. So cavity, design components, so we're going to select our short post, click OK, and now that's actually cut that shape out of this block. So if I go back to the assembly, now if I do the drop down here, as you can see here, that cavity is sitting there. I'm just going to hide this part for now. And I'm going up to section view. And as you can see, that's actually cut out of the block. Graphics only, I'll untick that. So now when I do a section view, that is now in there. So this is great for if you're making molds or whatever else, or you create whatever you want to do. But that's how you do it in SolidWorks, and thanks for watching.